Complete BDO credit card requirements and approval tips. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you the complete BDO credit card requirements and approval tips. First, let's talk about the basic requirements when applying for a BDO credit card. According to BDO, principal applicants must usually be 21 to 60 years old, while supplementary card holders must be at least 13 years old. Applicants must also be Filipino citizens or a foreign resident in the Philippines. Next, you also need to meet the minimum monthly income requirements. For some entry-level cards, the required gross monthly income starts at 15,000, while higher tiers card may require higher income levels. Now let's discuss the documents you may need. Prepare at least one valid government ID, proof of income, and supporting documents. Example of proof of income include your latest payslip, certificate of employment, or income tax return. BDO may ask for more documents depending on your application. If you want to apply, you can visit the BDO website or apply through a branch. Fill out the application form carefully and make sure all information is complete and accurate. For example, your mobile number can be 091234567889 because BDO may send updates through an SMS. For your monthly income, example can be 20,000 or 35,000 depending on your actual earnings.